In this video you will learn how to find and insert Creative Commons licensed images in WordPress. You can easily use Creative Commons licensed stock photos and images on your website. The first thing you need to do is install and activate the Instant Images plugin. Watch this video till end and follow my steps. With this plugin you can instantly upload photos from Unsplash, Pixabay or Pexels to your website, all without ever leaving WordPress. The Instant Images search lets you quickly find and upload images for any subject in a matter of seconds. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and follow me for more WordPress related videos.